dentist.
Up now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help us welcome the newlyweds, Jojo and Shara O'Connor.
Ano yung last conversation niyo before the wedding?
We were just texting and he said na sabi niya nahirapan daw siya to come up with a message because there's a part in our wedding where we want to honor our parents. So ako sinabi ko, me, I have na. Tapos sabi niya, sige, I'll think about it later, ganyan-ganyan. So, sabi niya, I'll text you. Pero hindi na niya ako na message. And I was supposed to write it for him para binabasa namin handwritten, tapos ibibigay namin. Siyempre, hindi niya na-text sa akin, sa BlackBerry niya binabasa yung message niya. I was talagang overwhelmed. That's the best word I could use. I couldn't believe it was actually happening kasi it just kept playing in my mind. Ganun lang. Pero hindi ko akalain na ito na pala to. I couldn't believe it.
Parang mixed emotions, daming emotions that was going on at the same time. I was very excited because finally and officially we will be starting our lives together. At the same time, I was a little bit nervous, obviously, as any groom probably went through. But more than anything, I was really very happy today, especially seeing her walk down the aisle with her parents. And then when I greeted her parents and I took her from them.
Sana hindi lang kayo mag-asawa, magbarkada pa kayo. At mas maganda yan.
Tagal ko lang kilala yung dalawang yun, kaya alam kong magiging matagumpay ang kanilang marriage and alam kong magiging masaya sila. I wish them all the best.
Star-studded ang reception for Shara and Jojo's wedding sa Manila Polo Club. Isa sa mga unang dumating sina GMA Films President Annette Gozon Abrugar, Senator Gringo Honasan, Shara's Itbulaga family, Raul and Kakay Mitra, Don Zulueta, Sharon Cuneta, Senator Kiko Pangilinan and Frankie, Vic Soto and Pia Guanyo, Joey De Leon and Eileen Macapagal, with Jocas and Jaco De Leon, Christine Hermosa and Oyoboy Soto, Mikey and Congressman Dodo Jaworski. Naroon din si GMA Senior Vice President for ETV, Miss Wilma Galvante and Miss Maricel Soriano. Sa reception may ganitong payo ang ama ni Shara na si Senator Tito Soto.
Sharing and caring. Hindi lang yung wedding rings, no? Sharing and caring, because if you share and you care, you will not suffer the third ring, which is suffering. Simple yung mensahe, but I think it worked for most of you who are here.
Thank you very much for joining our family, for marrying my sister. I know she's in very, very good hands, and I welcome you with all my heart. And to my Shara, nagbunga na rin lahat ng dinasal natin kay Lord. Eto na si Joe.
Nene, I'm going to miss you, but I'll always love you. The Tita Joe, please take care of Nene. Nene, I hope you're gonna raise your children the way Mimi and Tatay raised you. I love you. I love you both. You're always in my heart.
Pagdating naman sa bahagi ng programa kung saan ipapamigay na ang bouquet ni Shara.
Each one should catch a rose. Oh, the first rose. Okay, si Pia meron na. Mitch. Oy!
Brown si Christine. Si Christine yung brown. Girl, okay lang yan. Taken care of ka na.
Sa mga lalaki naman, nahikayat ni Shara ang tsuhin na si Vic Soto. Pero sa huli, sina Mitch Dulce at Paolo Ballesteros ang naging magkapares.
Because whoever does not get a pin is the one who gets the garter! Kailangan gayahin nyo yung 3 kisses na gagawin ni Shara at ni Joe. Let's count it down! 3, 2, 1!
Kaya sabi mo dati, you're married to your career. Paano ngayon? Joe, paano career ni Mrs. Joe O'Connor? tuloy bang showbiz?
Yeah, ako naman, whatever she decides to do with her career, I'll be there to support her. If she wants to continue it, I'll be supportive. If she wants to rest, I'll be there to support her. Whatever she decides to do, I'll just support her because before ko pa siya nakilala, she's been doing a good job. You know, leading a good life. So why would I get in the way?
First of all, congratulations to Shara and Jojo, and we hope that they be blessed in their married life and be blessed with lots of loving children.
I know Shara to be a very sweet and intelligent girl, and I know that she will be a very good wife and partner to Jojo. Have a happy life together.
Siyempre, congratulations and best wishes, and may you last forever. Like they say, diba? You put Christ in the middle of your marriage, make Him your firm foundation, and everything will be fine.
To Jojo and Shara, I wish them all the best. May they live a happy and healthy life together. May they continue loving each other forever.
My daughter married a very good person, a very humble person, and a very simple guy. Yun ang importante, yung nakita ko kung gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal niya kay Shara.
Alam mo, bitin kanina yung kiss. Pwede bang kiss for the benefit of Shara?
So
tayo lang naman eh. For the benefit of them. They're happy for you and they deserve to see you kiss like husband and wife.
Okay.
Sige,
Okay.
One. Sige, okay.
Nakakatawa siya kanina. Naalala ko yung text niya. Hey you, good morning, happy wedding. Sabi ko, parang hindi siya yung papakasal ako. Naalala ko lang.
Okay. Okay, sige. Kunwari kayo dalawa lang. Sige. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2.
And to Jojo, alagaan mo si Shara, baby ko yan. Inihabili sa akin ng mga magulang yan when she was only 15 years old. Okay? And congratulations, Jojo and Shara. And maraming salamat kay Nina de Torres, Jeffrey Hidalgo, Raymond Isaac, my good friend, and Trilogy for the videos and photos.